Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and on Air Friday we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. And this week we are making French toast sticks. Okay, this recipe, like many of our Air Friday recipes, comes from TikTok, this time from the user Ari Monica. Now, it should be pretty straightforward, but the first step we're gonna do is take some thick cut bread. They had Texas toast. I'm going with brioche because it's what my grocery store had. And you're gonna cut off the crust like you're feeding your 5-year-old. So we're gonna take that off and just kind of repeat that process for all your bread. So you're looking for this, kind of an uncrustable situation. Go ahead, get the rest of your bread, and we're just gonna cut the edges off until you have something that looks like this. And then you're gonna take this bread and cut them into vaguely stick-shaped things. And wow, there you have it. Now, I don't know about you, but if you went to public school in Delaware around the 2000s, French toast sticks was the breakfast of choice. That was the best day on the cafeteria menu. So the way we're gonna start to recreate that wonderful childlike wonder is we're gonna take these little sticks and we're gonna throw them in the air fryer and pre-cook them for 3 minutes. The TikTok from Ari Monica says this should make your French toast a little less soggy. So we're gonna give our tray a little spray. We're gonna take our sticks and we're just gonna drop them in there and we're gonna cook them for 3 minutes at 385 just to kind of harden them up a little bit before they go into an egg mixture to make that classic French toast. Okay, so our toast has been in the air fryer for way less than 3 minutes, and I would recommend 385 at 3 minutes is way too long. We didn't even have the air fryer preheated yet, and look, you've got a nice toast on it. So just keep an eye on what you do here. Just make sure you're not burning your toast before you're even making French toast. So next steps, real easy. Cooking spray. Never hurts, just put it down on your air fryer tray. Take your toast, and it's simple French toasting procedure, I guess. We have 2 eggs, about half a cup of milk, and we have some cinnamon, some vanilla, and some brown sugar, about a teaspoon of each according to the TikTok. So all you're gonna do is take the French toast stick, soak it, take out something like this, drop it on. Repeat that process for each stick, and then the TikTok, again, says to air fry at 385 for 10 minutes. I'm guessing that's gonna be way, way, way too long. So just keep an eye on it and we'll give you an update on how long you should probably actually cook it for. But 10 minutes seems like a really long time to cook French toast. But anyway, there's your process. Okay, so our French toast sticks are done cooking. Now, these only took a couple of minutes, and I think that there might be a couple reasons why ours cooked so much quicker than the ones in the TikTok. One, I think our bread was a little bit thinner than the super thick Texas toast, which might be a little bit more difficult to find, so keep that in mind depending on the bread you're using. And then 2, you never know with which air fryer you're using how powerful it's gonna be. So just a couple minutes at 385 and these things are pretty well cooked. So the final step here is to take the cooked French toast sticks and just give them a little dip in some brown sugar cinnamon. This is about, I don't know, half a cup of sugar with some cinnamon mixed in. Basically, you just want that classic mix. You should be able to see the brown mix throughout the sugar. And, I mean, you get the picture here. You're repeating this process over and over. What I'm gonna do is take one of these bad boys, dip it in some syrup, and give it a taste. It's very good. It's French toast sticks. It will take you back to your middle school days, getting in the cafeteria early to get the French toast sticks if you went to a school similar to mine. Now, is this so much easier than cooking French toast in a pan? No, it's really not. I don't understand why you would break out the air fryer, preheat it, do all that, and create probably about the same amount of mess as you would just using a nonstick pan on a stovetop. But hey, I'm not gonna judge how you cook your food, and French toast sticks rock, so you do you.